urteko apirilerako Gipuzkoako Aldundiak prest zituen Soraluzeko 4 presak apurtzeko proiektuak. 2021ean Europako dirulaguntza lortu zuen, Merlinekin. Presak 2023ean apurtu behar zituzten, baina urtebete atzeratu zen, eta beste urtebete gero. Eta 2024ean Arturo Elosegik Soraluzen zituzten arazoak nola konpondu dituzten azaldu zuen. Arturo Elosegiren adierazpenak Merlin Web orritik hartu dira.
Some of these dams were declared as cultural heritage by the municipalities. The Basque government thought, no, you cannot touch them. They are protected, and we are protecting them not just for the dam, but it's also for the stagnant water and the waterfall and so on. And when the municipalities declared them protected, the intention was to leave some
Udalaren helburua plan orokorrean presak babestu zituenean, besteak beste, Deba ibaiaren itxura, hiritarra babestu eta Ursaflei eustea zen. Hori, zer edo zer lagatzea nahi baino askoz gehiago da.
Especially in one town, which is Soraluce, where they have 3 dams downtown. And we did the same thing. We talked to them, explained this is a town where they have quite a high risk of flooding. And we explained them that by reducing these, by taking out these dams, they would reduce flooding risk. And indeed, in this town, the urban planning is limited by these dams. If you reduce these dams, you can build more areas, which because they would cease to be flood prone. And this is important, especially for young people living in the town.
Uraren arabera, Soraluzek ez du uholde arrisku handirik. Eta urak Olaldea plana onartu zuen, Malmero eta Olabarrena ia osorik mantenduz.
Regarding the locals, we had lots of meetings with them, but we couldn't reach an agreement. In the lowermost dam, the opponents said that our plan, the Merlin plan, and the plan of the Basque Water Agency were different, which they really were not.
Olabarrenerako 2 proiektuak oso desberdinak dira, eta aurrekontuak ere. Kiedeik ez du gezurrik esaten. Merlinekin bilera bakarra egin zen, eta Jedeik eskatuta, ez Merlinek.
These opponents were demanding to make a referendum at the municipal level, and in a town where there are like 2,500 inhabitants, they got over 600 signatures in favor of this referendum.
Soraluzek 2.500 biztanle. 2 urte pasa eta gero, oraindik ez dute herria ezagutzen. Hala ez dute ezertaz enteratu nahi. Hautesle erroldaren laurdena ez da nahikoa. Hauetaz gain, asko dira Arturo Elosegi doktoreak botatako perlak. Merlinen portaera Soraluzen ez da zientifikoa ez da garbia izan, adierazpen hauek erakusten dutenez. Argumentuen faltan manipulazio nazkagarria. Baina, zergatik gezurrak esan? Zertarako?